Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to discuss about the transfer function of a system. Okay, so we take a questions and accordingly we'll discuss the transfer function of a system. Okay, so here the question is the impulse response of initially relaxed linear system is e to the power minus 2 ut. The product of a response of t e to the power minus 2t ut, the input must be equal to, we have to find out like what is transfer function. Let's say this is a system, this is the output and this is the input. Okay, so what is transfer function? The transfer function is the Laplace transform of output by Laplace transform of input when all initial conditions are 0. That means initially relaxed. Okay, so here if we say this is in time domain yt and this is in xt, so then Laplace transform of yt by Laplace transform of xt is called the transfer function of the system. So maybe you can write this one is a g. So we can replace this one, the system, as a g. Okay, so in frequency domain or after the Laplace transform, we can write this one is ys by xs g. This is the transfer function. Okay, so the transfer function is g equal to ys by xs when the all initial conditions are 0. That means the system is in initially relaxed. Okay, so now here in this question you can see there are two phases. So first one is like the input response of initially relaxed linear system is e to the power minus 2t. Okay, so that means what? They put the impulse response as an input. That means, this one the impulse response, this is the impulse response as an input, and the Laplace transform of impulse response is 1. Okay, so see here if you have the output and they told the initial response of initially relaxed linear system is this one. So that means this is the output. Okay, that means the yt. So yt they give as a e to the power minus 2t u of t. Okay, so if we take the Laplace transform of this one, so this thing is become, okay, so this is the Laplace transform of the output. Okay, so here you can see this one is a 1 and this one is a ys. So for this case the transfer function or of the system is nothing but the output. Okay, the transfer function of the system is 1 by s plus 2. This is the transfer function, and here we can see that transfer function equal to output by input, that means in Laplace domain. Okay, so here the first statement we already done. Now come to the second. The product of a response of t e to the power minus 2t ut, the input must be equal to. So that means they already told the output, this is the output, and they asked for the input, and we already found the system. Okay, so here from this we can write as a input equal to output by transfer function. So what is the output? Output is, so another one thing we can do, if we take the Laplace transform of this signal, so this become this one. So this one is the new output. We can say that y dash or y1, the new output y1s equal to 1 by s plus 2 square. So this is the new output, So here s plus 2 square, and this one is a s plus 2. So the input become 1 by s plus 2. So this is the input, that means x of s for this output. Okay. The new input x is equal to 1 by s plus 2. So what is the xt? Xt is nothing but the inverse Laplace of xs. So inverse Laplace of 1 by s plus 2 is e to the power minus 2t ut. To getting the output, this one, we have to use the input signal as a e to the power minus 2t u of t. So this is our answer. Thank you.